Kinds of legal person. Person. As per law and jurisprudence, a person is a term used to refer to an individual entity that possesses legal rights and responsibilities. It's not just about being a human being. The concept of a person can extend to various entities beyond humans, such as corporations, organizations, and even government bodies. From a legal standpoint, being a person means that you have the capacity to enter into contracts, own property, sue or be sued in court, and enjoy the protection of various rights and freedoms established by the legal system. This term recognizes that different entities, not just individuals, can participate in legal matters and be held accountable under the law. So, in essence, a person in law and jurisprudence is an entity, be it a human or an organization, that has legal recognition and can exercise rights and fulfill responsibilities within the legal framework. Definitions. Here are some definitions of person from famous thinkers and law dictionaries. Black's Law Dictionary. A renowned legal dictionary defines person as a human being or a corporation that is recognized in law as having certain rights and obligations. John Locke. The influential philosopher John Locke described a person as a thinking, intelligent being that has reason and reflection and can consider itself as itself, the same thinking thing in different times and places. William Blackstone. An eminent English jurist, Blackstone defined a person as a subject of rights and duties. This term includes both natural persons, who are human beings, and artificial persons, such as corporations, who are recognized by law as having some of the same rights and duties as individuals. Legal maxim. The legal maxim persona ficta in Latin translates to fictional person, and is used to describe entities like corporations, which are treated as legal persons with distinct rights and liabilities. John Rawls. The philosopher John Rawls contributed to the concept of personhood by discussing it in terms of the principles of justice, emphasizing that justice should protect the basic liberties and rights of all individuals as persons. Legal codes. In legal codes, person can have varied definitions depending on the context and jurisdiction. It generally includes human beings and entities with legal recognition, such as corporations and government bodies. Kinds of a legal person. Legal persons are entities that are recognized by the law as having certain rights, responsibilities, and legal standing. Here are various kinds of legal persons along with examples. 1. Natural person. A natural person is an individual human being. Everyone you come into contact with every day, including yourself, is a person. They have legal rights and responsibilities, such as the right to contract, the right to privacy, and the right to sue or be sued. 2. Artificial person or legal entity. An artificial person, also known as a legal entity, is an entity other than a natural person that is recognized as having legal rights and obligations. Examples include the following. Company. A company is a legal entity separate from its owners, shareholders. He can make contracts, own property, and be known for his actions. Examples include Apple Incorporated and Microsoft Corporation. Limited Liability Company, LLC. An LLC is a hybrid entity that combines aspects of a corporation and a partnership. It provides limited liability protection to its owners, members, while allowing flexibility in management. Non-profit organization. Non-profit organizations, such as charities and NGOs, are legal entities established for purposes other than making a profit. They have legal rights and obligations, including the ability to receive donations and engage in activities to fulfill their mission. 3. Government entity. Government bodies, such as federal, state, and local governments, are considered legal persons. They can enter into contracts, regulate activities, and be held liable for their actions. For example, the U.S. federal government or the New York City government. 4. Partnership. A partnership is a legal entity formed by two or more individuals or entities who agree to carry on a business together and share profits and losses. There are different types, including general partnerships, all partners have equal responsibility, and limited partnerships. Some partners have limited liability. 5. Unincorporated association. An unincorporated association is a group of individuals or entities that come together for a common purpose, but have not formally incorporated. They also have legal rights and responsibilities, such as the ability to enter into contracts. 6. Estate or trust. An estate or trust is a legal entity created to manage and distribute property according to a plan. For example, a trust may hold and manage assets on behalf of beneficiaries. 7. Foreign organization. A foreign organization is an organization established under the laws of a different country but recognized and operating in another country. For example, a foreign company operates in many countries. Conclusion. In law, the word person covers a wide range of entities, human and non-human, that are entitled to recognition and rights. From individuals endowed with rights and responsibilities to complex systems such as companies and government institutions, the concept of legal personality involves the interaction of laws and social norms. Each group, whether a person, a producer, or a government institution, represents a specific entity in law and shapes the entire economy, responsibility, and justice. This understanding of the people reflects the principle that law should expand its participation in various organizations and create a harmonious legal ecosystem.